So today here I'm talking about first topic, elasticity. Elasticity is the sensitivity of the quality demanded or supply of a commodity in response to the change in factor related to that commodity. The elasticity of demand and supply can be a useful tool for a business to make crucial decisions in deciding the cost of goods and services to maximize their profit.
Alright, for the first case is the price elasticity of demand. So for the first question, if the price of a product is increased by 20% and as a result, the quantity demanded product A decreases by 10%. What is the price elasticity of demand for this product A? Then explain the type of elasticity. The quantity demanded of a good in response to a change in price is measured by elasticity of demand. This formula is used to compute it. So the formula is percent change in quantity demanded divided by the percent change in price. So to calculate, we're going to take is minus 10% divided by 20%, and it equals to minus 0.5%. So for the graph, for the case 1 is as a result, the price elasticity of demand is 0.5, which is less than 1. Therefore, the demand of product A is considered of inelastic. This process, the quantity demanded for a product is relatively unresponsive to price changes. Increase of 20% in price result is only decrease of 10% in quantity demanded.
Alright, for case 2, original quantity supplied Q1 is equal to 200 units. The new equality supply Q2 equals to 300 units, and the original price P1 is Rm 500. New price P2 is around 600. Alright, therefore the price electricity for supply smartphone in this situation is 2.5. Since the price is greater than 1, the supply elastic. This means that the quantity supplied is relatively responsive to change in price. The graph illustrates the elastic nature of supply, where an increase in price leads to a more proportional increase in quantity supplied. You can see based on the case 2 graph.
Okay, for the case 3, between the income level of 30,000 and 35,000, the income elasticity of demand for product Z is approximately 0.8571. Because the ED is positive and indicate that the quantity requested of material Z increase proportionally when income rise within the range. It shows that goods Z are regarded normal goods.
So we'll start with case 3, elasticity of demand. The first calculation is 240 minus 210, and the second calculation is 35,000 minus 30,000. The first calculation is 240 minus 210 divided by 210 will be 30 with 210, and then the divider after that will be 0.1429. The second calculation is 35,000 minus 30,000 divided by 30,000 will be equals to 5,000 divided by 30,000, and it will be equals to 0.1667. So for the elasticity of demand, the first calculation and the second calculation total will be divided, which is 0.1429 and 0.1667, and the answer is 0.8571, which included in the question. Thank you.
So, for my part is case 4, there is a positive cross elasticity of demand between tea and coffee when the price of tea goes up and the amount that people want to buy of coffee also goes up. This means that tea and coffee are replacement goods. This means that when tea price goes up, the coffee chain can change its pricing and advertising to make advantage of the higher demand for coffee.